If you have clicked on this video after reading the title, either of two things have happened. You've fallen down the YouTube rabbit hole when you were originally looking for videos on how to replace windshield wipers, or you may believe your girlfriend is cheating on you. You've come to see if any of your suspicions match what we are going to say, so you don't seem crazy when confronting her with them. Cheating is a painful, traumatic experience. It is a breaking of trust and showing your partner does not value your relationship and you as a person. It is a commonly known fact that most people have been cheated on at least once in their lifetime. Cheating is painful for all parties involved and can take a while to recover from. It can also affect a person's future relationships because victims usually believe they will be cheated on again. Combined with a few other signs, our last one is really sad, but a surefire sign on how to tell if your girlfriend is cheating on you. Number 1, she begins to accuse you of cheating all the time. If you start to notice your girlfriend is accusing you of cheating all the time, there is a good chance she may be cheating herself. When many partners start to do something they know is wrong, they will reflect their own wrongdoings onto their partner. She will start to ask you all the time who you're with and how long you'll be gone. She may cause scenes and fights, accusing you of doings you both know did not happen. While all of that is happening, she may be hanging out, flirting, and talking to others for attention or intentions for a romantic relationship. Also, many partners will have relationships on the side, but get so upset and heartbroken if they find out you are doing the same thing they're doing. So this will result in them becoming overbearing and controlling, even if they are doing the same exact thing behind closed doors. If this behavior starts happening all of a sudden when your partner did not act like this before, it may be a sign that your girl is cheating. If you have never given your partner any reason to suspect foul play, but they begin to feel insecure and jealous, it may be time to sit down and have a conversation about it. Number 2, they are finding reasons to skip date nights. This is the complete opposite of the previous idea mentioned, but we wanted to include everything a cheating partner may do. Every cheating partner is different and may act in different ways. Instead of being overbearing, a partner can become quite distant. If your partner slowly starts slipping away and finding excuses not to hang out together, go on dates, or really be seen anywhere in public with you, it could be because they are hiding something or someone. This is a typical sign of cheating in a relationship. It may seem like nothing at first. Maybe they made other plans with friends or family, they have to work, or they want to stay home for some alone time. But you may notice that they are never busy till you ask to do things with them. You will start to see the pattern form. If your girlfriend was not a social butterfly before, and then they suddenly have plans every weekend, especially plans you can attend as well, it is a huge red flag. It may start to hurt, and you will feel rejected. But use that hurt to confront her. You may not want to think too much into it or confront them for fear that you may seem too clingy or even pushy, so you let the situation slide. It is important to acknowledge and discuss your feelings in a calm manner. You may not like what you will hear, but it is better than keeping your pain bottled up. Number 3, her phone is her life. We live in a time where we do almost everything with our phones. People can work from their phones and contact anyone with a button. While it is normal to be attached to your mobile device, most people put it away when they are with their partner, such as at dinner, watching a movie, doing family activities, or other outings. If your girlfriend starts hiding her phone if you're next to her or even around her, she has something to hide from you. Most partners won't put their phone away if you are near them because they don't have anything to hide. This is a clear red flag that they have something in their phone you are not allowed to see. We understand how hard that can be because you want to look into their phone and see any evidence. But even if you don't find anything, that is a hugely invasive thing to do and could break the trust between you two. Another sign that your girlfriend might be cheating on you is that they are constantly texting or on social media, smiling, laughing, or taking more pictures of themselves. Posting more suggestive pictures or posting things on social media that hints to the public that they are single when they are clearly not is a big red flag. Number 4, she goes silent for long periods of time. When your girlfriend is talking to you over text or over the phone and the conversation isn't going the way she wanted, you may find that she disappears for long periods of time. And by disappears, we mean that she refuses to answer any calls or texts. You have no idea where she is, and she is not with any friends or family. You might want to take note of how often this happens and what causes it. If your gut is telling you these disappearing periods are not spent alone, it is time to question your girlfriend's loyalty, and you should plan to speak to her soon about it. It will give you the peace of mind knowing you have said what's on your mind and she knows how you feel. Those conversations can be so tough to have, but they are necessary. By the way, make sure to subscribe if you've learned something new today. Number 5. Change of affection. Have you noticed the amount of affection you have been receiving from your girlfriend went from overly loving to slim to none? No, you aren't imagining things. If she is barely paying you any attention and she does not give you the affection you're used to, there are definitely changes happening from her side of the relationship. When you question her if she is okay or unhappy with the relationship, she may state how unhappy she is, and these are the things to do to change it, followed by a list of things you are doing wrong. Of course, it could be the complete opposite, and she tells you she's completely fine, hoping to convince you otherwise. Your girlfriend will show less affection if she has someone else that she is giving all of her love to. Number 6. Nothing you do is good enough. You buy her flowers, candy, jewelry, and even take her out for her favorite food, but it's never good enough. Are we right? It may seem like every attempt to wow her has become a dud, and that causes some concern for the relationship. If your girlfriend is unhappy with any attempt at a romantic gesture, then it may be because she's more pleased with her new fling. Usually, when a woman is cheating, she openly expresses her unhappiness in the relationship and is not impressed anymore by her current partner. Because the partner she is keeping a secret is something new and exciting, a woman will at times find reasons not to like their current partner anymore. They will find reasons even if the partner hasn't done anything to mess up their relationship. At this point in the relationship, there is nothing else that can be done to fix it. Number 7. She picks more fights. A woman who is cheating at times will pick a fight with her partner to give herself a reason to get up and leave for a while. She may start a fight with you over something small and blow it out of proportion. When you get so angry, she will say she needs some space, or, "I'm going to let you cool off. I'll come back when you've learned to control your anger." Women who cheat also engage in gaslighting. The women will start these fights, then accuse their partners of being violent, short-tempered, and ugly towards them. They will not acknowledge that they made the fight something bigger than it should have been. When women leave to let their partner cool off, many times they use that as an excuse to spend a long time with their lover. Number 8. She is changing her appearance. You may have noticed that your girlfriend has changed overnight before your very eyes. She may change her hair to something completely different without ever telling you she was thinking of changing it. She may also change her wardrobe. She starts dressing in more revealing clothing. When you ask her about her new look, you may get a shrug or a snarky remark about how she has mentioned many times she was going to do this or that to her hair. Usually a woman who changes her appearance without warning is trying to severely impress someone. If she doesn't seem interested in your opinion on her look, it usually means the change was not to impress you. And if you liked this video, then check out these related videos to see more. And make sure to leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and we will personally reply to your comment.